Hi, you're at the IMS 2026 trade show this year at the Aaronia AG booth. We're here to show you the latest and greatest technology, and right here we're standing in front of our directional finding workstation. Here we're able to use this antenna up here, this ISOLOG antenna up here, to scan the frequencies in this area 360 degrees and come back and tell you the direction that it's coming in. And this is the direction it's coming in. And so not to trust me on just this one measurement, I have all these other tools that confirm where this signal's coming from. So it's not just one measurement. Now we're standing in front of our drone mitigation system. This is the same system, the same hardware that's being used as our directional finding that I just showed you. The difference is that this is more portable. So we have a portable antenna that you can mount on the back of a truck, on the back of a soldier's back if you want to, or just have it on a stand. You can also use a portable computer, either a laptop, either a laptop or a command center like this, computer in a box. As a drone mitigation system, we have special software in here that will actually track the drone. It'll tell you where the drone is and it'll tell you where the controller is.